All right, you guys. So in this video, I'm doing a full makeover, a complete 360 transformation on my client Kalima. And while we're at it, we're going to be talking about baby hair. Like, what is the hype around baby hair and why do so many girls desire that look? Where did it even come from? Let's get into it. What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl Easy Breezy. Thank you so much for tuning in to yet another hair tutorial. Now, it's crazy because I did Kalima's makeup on camera. It was such a good makeup session and I deleted all the footage on accident. And y'all, my heart dropped. I can't take it. I was about to have a heart attack. But anyways, let's go ahead and thank the sponsor for making this video even possible today. So we have Premium Lace Wigs, and they sent us a 24-inch water wave unit. Now, they say it's only 130 density, but y'all, this wig was super full. I'm like, y'all sure it's not like a 200? So just know that you are getting way more value for your buck. Like, for real. Like, nah, for real. Like, I don't know if y'all ever heard me go this hard for a hair company, but I'm doing it now because this wig was really good. Like, the curls, I mean, the wig was really soft and it was just a full unit. Like, it was super dense. So I'm like, listen, I guess they don't call it premium for nothing, okay? And y'all gonna see toward the end of the video how big the curls got. Like, before I wet it down, it was so dense. So yeah, I'm definitely, I'm recommending this one. So yeah, I want to get into the topic of why girls, and especially Black girls in America, why are we so obsessed with baby hair? And y'all, this did not start with lace wigs. Like, girls were doing their quote unquote baby hair when I was in elementary school. So what is this thing with baby hair and why do so many girls want that look? Like, I realized that some people think that girls just started wearing baby hair when frontals came out so you can hide your lace. But girl, they is late, okay? Girls been doing baby hair. We're not just trying to hide the lace. Girls actually want that look. Like, even if the lace looked absolutely perfect, the girl will be like, where my baby hair at? So yeah, that's definitely a preference, not just a necessity. All right, so I want to go back to the first memories of me seeing baby hair. So I was definitely like probably in 6th grade or 5th or 6th grade. And I would see like Latina girls with the baby hair. And it's like you have some girls with straight hair, but that don't have baby hair. But then you have other girls with straight hair that have a lot of baby hair, a lot of sideburns, like they're just hairy in general. So I honestly feel like baby hairs really started with girls that were just naturally hairy, that felt like they needed to do something to make it look more neater when they went to school. So I would see 3 main types of girls with baby hairs, right? Number 1 was Latina girls. Number 2 was mixed Black girls, whether they were mixed with white or some type of Spanish. And then number 3 is Black girls with relaxers. So, like I said in the beginning, I can tell why Latina girls would be doing their baby hair because they just had a lot of hair on their face, like a lot of sideburns, a lot of baby hair, like that's natural. And I can see why mixed girls would do their baby hair because don't get me wrong, I mean, you can have straight hair and be mixed, you can have 4C hair and be mixed, but the girls with curly hair would just have naturally curly sideburns, curly baby hair. Now, for the girls with relaxers, I can also see why baby hairs were not only trendy, but sometimes even necessary because when you have 4C hair, a lot of girls realize that their hair looks the fullest and the healthiest when it's in its natural form. Like when it's curly, when it's in an afro, you know, when it's like that. But when we flat iron our hair or when we relax our hair, it looks really thin. Like it looks thinner than what we expected it to look like because we're like, damn, our afros are so big and coarse and, you know, dense. But once we straighten our hair, it's like paper thin. So in my opinion, if you didn't do it just for the style, you did it to actually cover the fact that you had thin edges. Now, I know not all girls are going to be able to relate to this, but I know some are, because when you swoop your baby hairs down and pull them back, it actually makes your hairline look a lot fuller. Now, would girls have to do this if they wore their hair in their natural state? No, they won't. But listen, we live in America. Like, it's a lot of programming going on. It's a lot of false images of what beauty is. So a lot of girls were, pressured to straighten their hair with these chemicals, and it messed up their edges. So it's like they were forced to use, gel and stuff like that on their baby hairs to make their hairline look fuller, because if they pulled their hair just straight back, it would be like, girl, where your edges at? So not only baby hair being sometimes like necessary at times, it's just a cute style. Like, who doesn't like baby hair? Like, whether they're short and curly or they're big and swoopy and dramatic, like, they're just cute, like, period. And another reason why girls wear baby hairs is what? The notorious reason. Girls be thinking they have a big forehead. So baby hairs is a way to kind of minimize the look of your forehead by bringing your hairline even further down. So yeah, along with having natural baby hair to just having a lot of hair on your face that needs to be tamed to societal programming, baby hairs have been in our lives and in our culture for so long for many different reasons. They definitely did not start with frontals, okay? Even though baby hairs can be a lifesaver when your frontal is lifting or you can see the lace, honey, them baby hairs cover that lace right on up, okay? So, yes, you guys, let me know what you think about this shop talk. Are you a fan of baby hair, or is that not really your preference? Let me know in the comments below and let's talk about it. And stay tuned for the rest of this makeover. Also, if you need your lace tint foams, they are available right now at galaxygirlhair.com. I'm going to leave the link for y'all in the comments. All right, you guys, so this is the final result, and y'all, I am obsessed. Okay, I love the thick curly hair. I love the thick baby hairs. Like, I just love everything about this. It's so cute and dramatic, and just yes. So once again, thank you so much, Premium Lace Wigs, for sponsoring this video with this 24-inch water wave unit. If you guys want this exact wig, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. Okay, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that. Turn on your notifications, and I'll see y'all later. Look at them baby hair. It's so big and fluffy. I love them.